Hi guys, Ted Michaelis from SoftWash Systems. I have Duane Wood from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Man, home of the Philadelphia Eagles. Wish my Phillies won.
So Duane owns Premium Power Wash in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Duane just attended Top Gun school with his instructor Rick Neese from Midwest SoftWash in...
Yeah, we're in Wentzville, Missouri, serving the St. Charles and St. Louis area.
So I just want to spend a few minutes to talk to these guys. Duane, you came to discover SoftWash when?
I went last year in 2022.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about that. How did you find out about SoftWash Systems and come to discover SoftWash in 2022? And here you are in 2023 near the end attending the Top Gun school.
All right, so I had went to a power washer convention down in, what was that, Kissimmee, Florida, Orlando, something like that. I forget which one it was. But I met Mr. AC, I met AJ, and we was walking around. They showed me the skid, gave me some information, gave me some knowledge about it. He was one of the keynotes. Everything that he was talking about, it touched my spirit a little bit. So I was like, I want to get to know that system and see what's different about that system versus everybody else. So talked to him on the side. He said, okay, we have discovered SoftWash. Come down, talk, see what we have to offer you. So I came down in March 2022, met Mr. Ted here and the whole family at SoftWash Systems, and I was sold. Everything that came down from the hospitality, it was not pressuring me into buying something that I didn't need or want. My mom was already kind of going into the SoftWash, service. So when I came here, they just closed the deal. And then now, I went home, made some money, worked hard so I could come down here to afford it, and then called them and said, hey, I'm ready. And came down, Thursday, started Tuesday. And it was a great experience, great learning experience.
Yeah, so one of the steps that we provide here at SoftWash Systems in our training is our immersive hands-on experience through Top Gun, where we bring an instructor who's already in the business with us, a licensed affiliate SoftWash Systems, following our business model. So that would be Rick here. We bring them down so that they can work man-to-man with our new licensed affiliate and teach them the ropes and how the system works, how it works on the house. So Rick, how did Duane do this week?
Yeah, Duane did great. He already had some kind of washing experience. So when we went out to do working on the house and other systems, we went more in the detail of fine-tuning the stuff, getting through the equipment. But he did great, picked up everything on really good, and I think he's going to kill it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So what's really important to us is if Mr. Duane here, Duane, do you feel comfortable after your 3 days of training that you're going to be able to go home and have the confidence to do the job for your customers?
I do. I wish that I did this in the beginning, but I'm here now, and with the knowledge that SoftWash System and my guy gave to me, I think I'm gonna go home and triple what I've been making already.
Oh wow, okay, that's a bold statement, guys.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna go home and triple what he's been making with SoftWash Systems.
I better.
All right. Sounds good to me. Hey, I want to thank you for your time, Duane. Congratulations, man. We look forward to seeing you killing it, really putting it on the table.
Awesome.
Rick, thanks for coming and teaching
no problem.
today.
Love it every time.
Everybody, go forth and prosper. Thank you very much.